Life insurance companies in the Philippines have enough capital to ride out the coronavirus epidemic. Well, with us now for more is Benedict Sison, Sunlife CEO and country head for the Philippines. Good to see you, Benedict. Welcome to the program.
Good morning, Kathy, and thanks for inviting me.
Sure. So what makes you say that with conviction, that life insurance companies here have enough capital to meet all the claims at a time of a pandemic?
Yes, the life insurance industry is well positioned to meet any claims, any spike in claims on account of this COVID-19 pandemic. If you recall, just as of the end of December 2019, we've actually increased the required capitalization for all insurance companies. And besides, as a practice, most insurance companies do monitor their capital position, and almost all insurance companies do have this liquidity contingency plan in place. And also, most of them do have available credit line from the banks in the event that there's a need for more capitalization. But bottom line is that the insurance industry is well positioned to address any concerns with regards to this COVID-19 pandemic.
So how well capitalized is the insurance industry compared to the time of the global financial crisis of 2008, 2009?
Okay, I can speak for Sunlife. We are much stronger this year. We have a stronger balance sheet. We do have a stronger capital ratios, liquidity ratios, as well as we have more diversified business and product mix. Also, in addition to that one, our AUM is 5 times bigger than what it was in 2008. Also, our total premiums are 5 times bigger than what it was in 2008. So we're really entering this crisis much stronger, giving us the confidence that we can weather the storm or weather this pandemic.
Yeah, you mentioned in a March 26 interview with ABS-CBN, insurance companies could take a hit should the pandemic escalate. What sort of a hit? Could you give us some baseline and alternative scenarios?
Sure. 2 areas where we anticipate that the insurance industry would be hit by this pandemic are sales and claims. With the lockdown, people's mobility is restricted, so our advisors and our clients are unable to meet face-to-face, so sales are basically reduced. But the good news, Kathy, is that just recently, all our products are now available remotely and virtually. In other words, digitalized face-to-face selling is now allowed by the regulator, which means that even during a lockdown, we're able to offer insurance products to our clients and to many more Filipinos at a time when they need it the most.
So how is that taking place? Are you closing sales right now online? Or is it a difficult proposition given that it is online and it's something new?
Yeah, it's really something new, and we've actually launched ours a couple of weeks ago, and it's taking very good traction. In fact, we're getting a significant amount of sales from this digitalized face-to-face selling. Although we do have online products available through digital platforms like Lazada, as you know, and I'm happy to let you know that sales on those platforms have actually skyrocketed. It's over a growth of over 50% in the last 2 months compared to last year.
Wow, what are they buying? Well, what sort of sales insurance packages are people buying over in Lazada?
Yeah, right now what's available on Lazada are actually the low premium price products that we do have. So in other words, the challenge with our using the digital platform is that not all our products are available online. But as I mentioned, the good news is now all our products are available remotely and virtually. So we can continue selling to even on a lockdown where mobility of our people is restricted.
But is the online channel widely in place? I mean, what are you learning so far from this COVID-19 crisis and the ensuing ECQ on what needs to be done further ahead?
Sure. Okay. So this pandemic has actually accelerated the use of technology, the use of digitalization. You know, all our communications are now using digital platforms like emails, text messages, Zoom, social media. And now the selling that we're able to do now, even on a lockdown, is digitally assisted. So that makes it very important. And you know, Kathy, with digitalization, this will actually help us reach untapped client segments, address new client needs, and even innovate the way we add value to our clients.
So is this a new normal now for the insurance industry, you think, as infection curves flatten?
Sure, moving forward, I think this will be the new normal, that there will be more virtual selling available. And in fact, we anticipate this to be the new norm. And one of the things that the insurance industry plans to do once this is all over is really to work with the regulator to basically accelerate the role of technology as part of the new normal in the insurance industry.
All right, we're going to miss those handshakes when a sale is made. Got to get used to that new normal.
Right. So, yeah, social distancing will still be there. And as you know, the vaccine hasn't been found yet or discovered. So for a while, I think this will be the way to do business.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us. And on a Sunday, keep well. Benedict Sison of Sunlife Philippines.